What happens when a poodle decides it's time to embarrass its human? Meet Dave, an unsuspecting owner who learned the hard way that poodles have a penchant for mischief.
One fine morning, Dave discovered his beloved poodle Bella surrounded by a hurricane of dog treats and a suspiciously shredded yoga mat. As Bella pranced around proudly, it wasn't just the chaos that was overwhelming, but also the sound of her hiccups. With every hiccup, she leaped higher, giving an unexpected comedy show right in Dave's living room.
Kids in the neighborhood flocked over, laughing at the acrobatic hiccuping poodle.
By the end of the day, Bella was the circus star, proving that sometimes a mad breed just needs a good laugh.